Meal planning, at least like 3 or 4 days at a time, will save you time in the grocery store. It will save you money, and it's gonna save you stress of coming home after a really long day and saying, okay, what's for dinner? When I started the Whole30 in 2009, it was basically like walking uphill both ways in the snow. You had to make your own mayo, you had to find your own recipes or create your own recipes, you had to create your own shopping list. Now we have Whole30 approved salad dressings and mayonnaise and emergency protein sticks and marinades and curry sauces and almond sauces. Use those as often as you can. Even if you're doing the Whole30 on a budget, buy a couple of these convenience things and just put them in your pantry for a rainy day. If you're roasting vegetables in the oven, your oven should always be full. Roast 2 trays, mixed vegetables, cut them all about the same size, throw them in some ghee or some olive oil or some avocado oil and roast them. So you've got veggies for your meal and you've got stuff left over. Hard boil a dozen eggs, make a protein salad with your Safe Catch tuna and Primal Kitchen mayo. If you spend an hour every couple days, you'll have enough meals to last you for the rest of the week.